This is Ford Field, home of the Detroit Lions. This is a place where legends are made, where voices rise, and where stories echo across generations.
I look out at all of you, and I'm so excited for what's ahead for you. So if you have passion for broadcasting, the fact that you're here today is a huge step.
There's just so much still yet to learn about this field. So many people to talk to, so many possible connections that are available for a lot of students, whether they're going into, radio, video, written content, social media, digital creation. There's so many opportunities there for everybody. Where else are you going to get this kind of connection?
You can try things you've never tried before, like teleprompter reading, being on a green screen for the weather, or seeing how cameras and tech work. So it's just great to get experience and get a taste of what it's really going to be like once we are in higher education and out in the real world.
My hope for you is that one day you'll look back as a storyteller and you'll say this is where it all started, at the Great Lakes Broadcast and Sports Media Academy.